Bye baby, galingan mo. Pag mag-shades pa, mag-tutor lang.
Para malaman ng mga tao kung ako ba, para pag tinanggi kong glasses, alam niya na ako talaga yun.
Okay baby. Galingan mo, bye bye. Love you, see you later. Quarterly exams na kasi ninamiyakan next week, so kahit Saturday may tutor na. Good day everyone, this is Jayzar. Welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day here in Lipa City, and thanks for tuning in for Saturday Jayzar episode number 12. We're outside SM City Lipa. It's gonna be a busy Saturday, so coffee muna tayo. Let's go. Intro. Kakati lang namin kay Miyaka sa tutor niya kasi yun nga, quarterly exam na niya next week. So she's gonna be there for 2 hours. So while killing time, dito muna kami magko-coffee sa Starbucks sa SM City Lipa. So for my drink today, I got the venti iced latte with non-fat milk, sugar-free vanilla. Ito na rin yung breakfast ko. This has only 110 calories. The calories coming from the non-fat milk. So it's a good option for you if you're counting your calories. Ang iniinom ko lang dito sa Starbucks is either eto, itong venti iced latte, non-fat, sugar-free vanilla, or yung venti cold brew with sugar-free vanilla. So if I don't want to take in any calories, yung cold brew yung iniinom ko. Pag kailangan ko ng konting calories, etong iced latte. Tapos ito naman yung drink ni Aisha. This is venti, fully green tea over ice, tapos replace the classic with sugar-free vanilla. 0 calories din to. Masarap to, lasa siyang sagugulaman without the sagugulaman. A planner number 3. Let's go Nets. How was the shooter, baby? Ready ka na for your exam? Where do you want to eat? Chowking. Do you want to eat at Max?
I think it's okay.
So the little one requested for Max's Restaurant. Fortunately, meron dito malapit sa amin. Max's Restaurant sa may Lipa Town Center. Love? Sino love mo? So this is what I got, the fiesta plate. Meron siyang quarter chicken, rice, caramel bar, and then drink. Tapos, you also get the choice between the fresh lumpia or fried lumpia. I went for the fried lumpia. Normally, I go for the chop suey meal, pero ngayon parang feeling ko maglumpia. So, let's go. Yung laging order ni Aisha na platter meal yung merong pansit canton. Yeah, kasi si chicken lang naman yan eh. So, bago pa mawala yung pagka-lutong niya, let's go for the fried lumpia. Sobrang sarap. Bibingka cheesecake na sobrang sarap yun. Natry namin before, pero medyo diet tayo ngayon, so pass muna. Tempting, pero pass. So, syempre yung sausawan dito sa Max's Restaurant, yung kanilang ketchup, and then hot sauce, and then Worcestershire sauce. Naparamihan. Mix it all together, and you have a winner of a dipping sauce. So, syempre, kumakain ka sa Max for their fried chicken. Classic yan. Really good. Really juicy. Up to the bone. Masarap yan. Sobrang bigat sa tiyan itong fried lumpia. So, sobrang sarap ng Max's fried chicken. Kahit yung mga gantong buto-buto, nakakain. Balasan na rin. Siyempre, huwag niyo ako gagayain. Patitigas yung ngipin ko. Sabi nila, sarap to the bones daw sa Max Restaurant. Hindi ko ma-confirm kung totoo na sarap to the bones niya. Ewan ko lang. Siyempre, ang meal at Max's Restaurant won't be complete without their caramel bar. One of the best finishers to any meal. How's your food, baby? So, nag-request dito. Sarap. Kumain na sa daddy ng pagkain ng chicken. Show daddy how you eat chicken. Kumain na kanina.
Ayun na.
So, chicken ka nagmana. Okay, I'm back here at the Autos at Lipa. We're doing photo and video coverage for the Aboitiz Football Cup. So I'll check it out later. And then I'm gonna check out the bazaar that we're organizing. It's on the 3rd weekend. Pero hindi lang ako food trip doon kasi tumataba na ako sa kaka-food trip doon. And then I'm gonna check out, there's a restaurant that opened yesterday. I'm gonna check it out. So yes, yung mga fans ng Koy Bito sa Lipa City, they're gonna open here at the Autos at Lipa really soon. But for now, you can check out their branch sa High 5 Square along Ayala Highway in Lipa City. So there's a new restaurant that opened sa the Autos at Lipa. Ayan yung Shunjiang Chinese restaurant. So itsura pa lang authentic na. So dito lang siya sa may dog park area ng the outlets. They opened yesterday. So let's check it out. Yung interior niya talagang authentic Chinese restaurant yung dating. So they have this cute booths where you can enjoy Chinese cuisine. And then this is their main dining area. Tapos let's check out the VIP room. So ito yung may VIP room din sila. So for meetings, for private parties, excited to check it out. So there's gonna be a new senior high school dito sa Lipa, Industria by FEU and TIP. So they're gonna start next year, school year 2020-2021. They'll be here at the Autos at Lipa. So inquire now to reserve your slot. Write your page for more details. So ayun na nga, wala ako inabutan. Maaga natapos yung under 7 sa under 9 divisions. Saka pull out na yung team namin. So just a few kids kicking the ball around, having fun. Tomorrow's gonna be the finals of the Aboitiz Football Cup. So that's gonna be fun and exciting. So doon na lang tayo. Around this time, mga 2:30 PM, medyo inaantok-antok na ako. So I need to pick me up. And one of my go-to paghapon na mga pick me up ay ang coffee chills na mini stop. Refreshing and at the same time nakakagising. Look how tall you are. You're almost as tall as your dad. Look at that nose. Look at that nose. Whoop. Miyaka, where are we going?
The stage left my pig from the start.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Kaka-feature lang namin ng Krizia Creamery the other day. Sobrang dami ko nakain na sabi ko, siguro it's gonna take me a couple of months para makabalik-balik kasi sobrang overwhelmed sa nakainan. Pero eto, a few days later. Yan ba tayo na dito?
Thursday.
Thursday? Thursday, ngayon is a Saturday, so 2 days lang. Nandito na ulit kami. Mainly because of our daughter na mahilig sa fried chicken. Miyaka, are you excited to try their fried chicken? And their fried.
And for dessert is ice cream.
Ice cream.
Behind me and mom.
Okay. Now good?
Yes.
So I couldn't decide kung ano yung ordering ko. So I went for the combo F instead. It has chicken, pasta, your choice of pasta kung red sauce or white sauce, rice, and then pizza, your choice of pizza rin. This is only 175 for the whole thing. So sakto pala. Ito yung sinabi ko before yung sa Facebook Live na ito yung combination na kunin nyo. Yung manyaman pizza, fried chicken, and then yung carbonara. So meron pala sila ng combo meal. This is the perfect combination for me. Yeah, how is it? Is it good?
It's good, but I need to try the rice first.
Try it with rice. Yung chicken, is it crunchy? Do you like it? Okay. So, syempre, fried chicken nila. Sobrang crunchy, sobrang juicy, sobrang sarap. I vlogged about Krizia. Yung first time namin nagpunta dito for the purpose of the t-shirt. So it's gonna be more complete. I'm gonna place a link in the description para mapanood. Grabe yung combo meal. Yung pasta pa lang yung nakakain ko. Sobrang busog na ako. Pero syempre, we're a good soldier pagdating sa pagkain. Kailangan lang. So this is their manyaman pizza. It's Kapampangan pizza. That's salted egg, homemade tocino, homemade longanisa, chili flakes. This is my favorite out of their different types of pizza. So busog na, courtesy of Krizia Creamery. Time for us to enjoy play by the Lipa Actors Company. The play with the title. Anong title, baby?
My page from the start.
Are you excited?
Yes,
Let's
but
go!
Hoy, panatilihin niyo po silang malusog at malayo sa kapahamakan.
Sa lahat ng baboy sa ulan, panghihira, panghihira, panghihira. Ating sagsaka ng bihis. Ako! Opo! Ay! Pinaknis nila, nakakain na rin siya ng baboy. Special powers na yun! Subukan mo ka pa. Bakit sa akin? Ano naman sa akin? Ikaw lang ang nagsisera dito. Tsaka, ako ang leader, di ba? Kahit na magbago, hindi silang buhay mo. Kayaan ang buhay ko, walang tumiyang bayan.
Operation! Manual operation!
So there's a 10-minute break. Good news yung anak ko na first time yung makapanood ng play na ganito. She's hooked. Talagang involved siya, engaged siya, invested siya sa story. Actually, we're having second thoughts kung sasama namin si Miyaka or hindi. Kasi she can get very impatient pag hindi siya nag-enjoy, pag hindi niya nagugustuhan. Pero ngayon talaga, enjoy siya. Di siya nag-aaya umalis, di siya nag-aaya lobas. So, again, good job Lipa Actors Company. Miyaka, you wanna go home? Let's go home. Why not?
The show's not yet done.
Are you having fun?
Yes, and the animal was so awesome.
Talaga? May surprise ka na dito sa Alma?
Yes, what's your favorite? At the Alma and
Makakatapos ko ng show as always. That's a production of Lipa Actors Company. We had a lot of fun. Looking forward to the next one. So I'm inviting everyone to come check out the next show of my page from the start. I-like nyo lang yung fan page ng Lipa Actors Company for the next showing day.
Alma! May number 1 fan ka, oy!
Congrats! Galing-galing!
Galing, grabe. Kaya pala lagi pagod.
Lang, baby. Miyaka! No run. No running. Running for ice cream. Okay. Lead the way, baby.
What?
Lead the way.
Open the door?
Yeah. So dito nagtatapos ang Saturday Jayzar episode 12. Hindi lang normal na puro food trip, meron din tayo something artistic. Thank you Lipa Actors Company for the experience. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, and share. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell for you to be notified of future videos. Thank you for watching. You have a good day. Bye!